Be sure to refer to the accompanying Excel workbook pages 13 through 26. You will find an example of the document you need in Excel Appendix B. You may also want to refer to videos on using a mouse or trackpad and saving your work. Don't forget to ask for help if you need it. In this section, you will practice adding functions to your spreadsheet. You will accomplish the following: create a spreadsheet, add data to it, find the average of the data in the cells, and print the document. Create a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Click on Start and select Microsoft Excel. You can also find Excel in All Programs. A spreadsheet will open up. Enter data into the spreadsheet. In this example, we're going to be finding grades for students in our class. Add names, quizzes, and homework headings along the top row according to the template in your workbook. You may pause the video here to enter your data. Find the total points and average for each student. In column H, row 1, add the word total. Click on the cell below it and Auto Sum. A dotted line will appear. Click Enter and all of the values in those cells will be totaled. Click on cell H2. Notice that there is a bold outline with a small square box in the lower right corner. Click on the square, hold, and drag to the end of the data set. All of the rows will be totaled. Let's add another column for the average. Click on H, right-click, and select Insert. Type the word average into H1. Click on the first cell. Go to the function box, type an equal sign and the word average and the first parentheses symbol. Select the data that you want to average, here B2 through G2, and click Enter. Click on H1 again, find the small square in the lower right corner, and drag the function to the end of the data set. Now you have all of the students' averages. Print the document. Select File. On the left-hand menu, select Print. Next, click on the print icon. Now use your skills. Create a spreadsheet, add data to it, find the average of the data, and print the document.